Strategy, saving our time and effort. What does strategy mean? Have you ever started to do something and then realized that it was a lot harder than you expected? Maybe you were not sure how to do it, or you just didn't understand what you were supposed to do. Maybe what you were trying was just not working. Either way, you may have felt like something or someone was stealing your time and effort. You may have thought, I wish there was something that could help me, something that could make my time and effort count. What you really need is a strategy superhero. Never fear, dun dun dun! Your strategy superhero is here. But what happens without strategies? If we don't use strategies, then we may not choose the best way to do something. Let's say we want to move a pile of rocks. Should we use a spoon to move all these rocks? Should we? Sometimes we may choose a method that just doesn't work and that steals the time and effort we could use to do something else. We may be choosing dun dun dun, the anti-strategy. When this happens, we get stuck and feel frustrated and overwhelmed. We may not be able to meet our goals. Arg! How do strategies help? When we know what strategies are and how they can help us use our strengths to overcome our challenges, we make better choices about how we do things. Instead of using a spoon, we might choose to move a pile of rocks with a shovel, a wheelbarrow, or even a bulldozer, which in my opinion would be much better than using a spoon. When we choose strategies that work, we make our time and effort count. This is way better than anti-strategies that steal our time and effort. In this unit, you will learn a test for checking whether a method of doing something is a strategy or an anti-strategy for you. Then you can begin to build your very own strategy toolbox. With strategies, you can meet your goals with less work.